Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to verify your SIM card using eGovPH. So here I'll be teaching you how to verify your SIM card using the eGovPH. So all you need to do is log into your eGovPH. Once you have logged into your eGovPH, this is very useful if you don't know how to verify it using a website. All you just need to do is just go to the eGov app. Once you're here at the eGov app, all you need to do is click on More. After clicking on more, you will see a SIM card. So which means that doesn't mean you have it will check on your SIM card how many SIM cards you get or whatsoever. No, it will actually verify your SIM card. Press on that, and here you will have this SIM card list, as you see right there. And if you're using TNT talk and text, you can also what to call this, register it to a smart telecom right there. Now let's say we're using smart right here. So all we need to do, as you can see right there, now it's loading us to the smart telecom. All we need to do is just wait for it. So yeah, this is the fastest way to register. As you can see right now, it is now giving us the steps on how to do it. There you go. There you get your PIN, input information, and reversing confirmation. As you can see right now, all you need to do is right here, input your number right here. After you input your number right there, all you need to do is then you need to verify the OTP. After verifying the OTP, you just need to fill up a few information, and you need to have a government ID with you, a valid government ID, as you can see right there. Just fill up the information and have a valid government ID. Then there you go. Valid government IDs is like passport, driver's license, national ID, MBA clearance, and etc. like that. But school ID, no, it won't work. I think that's not a. I think so. Haven't tried, but benefit doubt it might. But yeah, but 100% will work. Driver's license, passport, and national ID, and all of those will work. But school ID, not very sure, about 50-50 about that. But yeah, that's how you do it. If you have any more questions, if you have more concerns, you can type it in the comment section below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.